Sure, here's a Christmas cookie recipe for you. Ingredients: 1 cup of butter softened, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, sprinkles or colored sugar for decoration. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. 2. Beat in the eggs one at a time, and then stir in the vanilla extract. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. 4. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, mixing until well combined. 5. Divide the dough in half, wrap each portion in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. 6. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F 175 degrees C and line baking sheets with parchment paper. 7. Take one portion of dough from the refrigerator and roll it out to about a 1/4 inch thickness on a floured surface. 8. Use your favorite cookie cutters to cut out desired shapes and place them onto the prepared baking sheets. 9. Decorate the cookies with sprinkles or colored sugar. 10. Bake for 8 minutes 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. 11. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. 12. Repeat steps 7 minutes 11 with the remaining dough. 13. Once completely cooled, store the cookies in an airtight container.